8 surprising uses of Vicks Vaporub. One of the most used medications for congestion is Vicks Vaporub, which has been around for over 100 years. This cream is used on the chest, back, and throat to treat nasal congestion and coughs. Vicks Vaporub helps because it has the active ingredients camphor, eucalyptus oil, and menthol. It also has inactive ingredients like cedar oil leaf, nutmeg oil, petrolatum, thymol, turpentine oil, and lemon fragrance. But Vicks Vaporub has many other uses besides for treating nasal congestion and coughs. Here are other helpful ways to use Vicks Vaporub. 1. Treats headaches. Vicks Vaporub can help lessen the pain from tension or sinus headaches. It can even help treat a migraine headache. This is because of the camphor, eucalyptus oil, and menthol found in Vicks Vaporub. To use for tension headaches, put some Vicks Vaporub on your temples and forehead, and rub gently for quick help. 2. Relieves achy muscles. Another great use for Vicks Vaporub is to soothe sore, overworked and achy muscles. This is because of the menthol in it, which helps blood flow properly and quickly soothes achy muscles. Put a nice amount of Vicks Vaporub on the muscles that are painful. Rub gently for 5 minutes. Wrap the area with a dry, warm towel. Lie down for some time to let the balm do its work. Do this 2 to 3 times a day. 3. Soothes insect bites. If you have chigga, ant, mosquito, or any other insect bites, Vicks Vaporub can help ease the itchiness and burning feeling. The cooling menthol in Vicks soothes the itching feeling, and can lessen the risk of blisters and infections. Wash the area with cool water. Take some Vicks Vaporub, add a little table salt to it, and mix it well. Put it on the painful area. Do it again if needed. 4. Combats toenail fungus. Vicks Vaporub can also help stop your feet from getting toenail fungus. The thymol ingredient in Vicks helps stop the growth of fungus, possibly because of its antiseptic, antimicrobial, and antibacterial properties. A 2011 study written in the Journal of the American Board of Family Medicine found Vicks Vaporub to have a positive clinical effect in the treatment of onychomycosis. Put Vicks Vaporub on the infected toenail, cover it with a gauze and put on your socks. Do this 2 to 3 times a day until your nail turns dark and the toenail grows out. Then, cut off the dark part. Keep putting on Vicks for a few more weeks to get rid of any leftover fungus or bacteria. Note: make sure your toenail is fully dry before putting on Vicks. 5. Clear acne. Vicks Vaporub is one of the easiest ways to clear acne problems. The menthol in it can ease pain and swelling. It can also help in clearing up acne in a few days. Put a small amount of Vicks Vaporub on the hurt area. Leave it on for about 30 minutes. Wash it off with lukewarm water. Do this 3 times a day for a few days until your skin is free of acne. 6. Treats cracked heels. To keep your heels healthy, smooth, and free of cracks, Vicks Vaporub is a great help. Because of its menthol, camphor, and turpentine oil ingredients, this cream traps in moisture and heals cracked heels. Soak your feet in lukewarm water for 10 minutes before going to bed. Scrub the cracked areas with a pumice stone for a couple of minutes to get rid of dead skin cells. Wash the area with clean water and pat dry well. Put some Vicks on your feet and heels, and rub gently. Put on your socks, and wear them overnight. In the morning, wash your feet with warm water. Do this every night until your cracked heels are fully healed. 7. Treats warts. Vicks is also great for treating warts, especially periungual warts. The menthol, thymol and eucalyptus oil in it helps kill the virus that causes warts. They also help shrink and dry out warts. To use, put a nice amount of Vicks Vaporub on the area. Then cover it with a gauze, and wear socks, or cover it with duct tape. Leave it on for a few hours, or even overnight. Do this for about a week or until the wart falls off. Note: before you put on Vicks Vaporub, make sure your feet are fully dry. 8. Diminishes stretch marks. Try using Vicks Vaporub to lighten ugly stretch marks. Because it has methanol and eucalyptus oil, Vicks can naturally help fade stretch marks. The cedar leaf oil, petrolatum, camphor, and turpentine oil help lessen skin dryness that makes stretch marks stand out. Also, it has the anti-inflammatory parts of eucalyptus, which lightens stretch marks and other small scars. Put a small amount of Vaporub on the skin where you have obvious stretch marks. Rub in circular motions for a minute. Do it 2 times a day for a few weeks to get noticeable results. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.